Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making some faux Christmas vintage stamps using my VIP membership for November. Guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I want to showcase my VIP November digital papers. So if you're familiar, I have a VIP lounge, which is a subscription box that you can subscribe every 3, 6 or 12 months, and every month you get some digital papers sent to your email address. You also get a nominated 20% off discount code for yourself that lasts for the entire length of the subscription. So if you subscribe 3 months, the discount code will last 3 months. If you subscribe for 6 months, it will last 6 months, and for a year it will last for the entire year. You get 20% off on top of any promotions that I have on my website. You also get every month, you get a different offer. Sometimes it's a free kit, sometimes it's one kit that is half price, sometimes it's 3 for 2. I tend to vary a lot. This month, for the month of November, of my VIP members get 4 VIP papers. So these papers are not available on the website. That's why it makes it special. So the first paper kit, which I'm going to play with today, is called Victorian Christmas. It's a collection of pages full of Victorian illustration. Now you can make, today I'm going to make some stumps, but you can do anything that you want with these. So you can either fuss cut them and make mini Christmas cards. You can collage them into one board and make a your collage. You can do tags. You can do anything that you want with it. So I'm just going to show you very quickly, page by page. It's this kit. I love Victorian, and I always said that I was born in the wrong era. I love Victorian imagery because they're so charming, they're so sophisticated, and that's, to me, it's the true spirit of Christmas. The joy of giving, the joy of spending time together, the community that one help one another. So yeah, love that. So you get all these ephemera. So this paper kit has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. Okay, so this is kit number 1. I'm just gonna put them together so I don't confuse them with my normal paper. I'm just gonna put them in here. The second kit is called Festive Mouse. Oh, I think this is just adorable. So you have a background. This is part of my sweet Christmas papers that I have on my website for everybody to buy. So I have used that background, and I create a mini kit. So it's 4 pages of this super cute mice. So you get a couple of envelopes. So they are traditional rectangular envelopes. You can use this as a cash wallet as well. So if you give them money, so you just follow the folding line, and then you get a really nice scallop envelope. Then this one, you get a milk carton box that looks like this. So you get your 4 sizes, your 4 squares, your 2 triangles, which is that one and that one. They're basically folding inwards, and then this rectangular one on top is this one. So I recommend to print this page on a thick cardstock. Okay, how adorable is this? Then page number 3, 3 tags. Look at them, they're so cute. I love them. They wearing your traditional Christmas jumpers, and she's got a little hat as well, and he's got a pom-pom hat. And page number 4, oh, hold on a minute. Yes, it's another tags. So look at this jumper. Look at it, and it's got a really cute scarf. Okay, so this is the Festive Mouse. It's a mini kit. Okay, then we've got, put it here. Then kit number 3 is a Christmas planner. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes you get overwhelmed at Christmas. So I pull this together into, oh, it's actually even bigger than my camera. It's got quite a lot of pages. Okay, so you download this, and this is what you need for your Christmas festive. It's not what's under the tree what matters, but rather who gather around it. It's all about that. Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling, and there we go. So we got Christmas cards. This is not how we get printed in order, so I just printed and put it together, but on the PDF you get the page in order. You don't have to follow, you can put this at the end, you can do what you want. You can either alternate the sentiment with the pages, do what you pleased. Gift giving, so again a list of presents. All is calm, all is bright, relax. Always remember to pose and relax. You'll get your family tradition, so just write it down, or you can either put some pictures if you want to treat it as a scrapbook. Holiday baking, so what to make, the recipe and the ingredients. Some notes to keep track of everything else. Christmas menu, so what you're gonna get, the recipe and some notes. Holiday shopping list, so anything that you need to buy for Christmas. This is the I love this page. This is like for friends and family. It's for every person. You got a little some little table, so what they want, what they need, what they wear, and what they read. I know it makes a rhyme as well, and there's some stocking stuffer, so just to keep on track of everything. You also get a December calendar, so things that you want to do, or some appointments that you want to write down. You also get the Christmas planner menu, so you've got what you're gonna eat, all your different size dessert, and what you need to buy. And I love this, it's probably my favorite page of the kit. It's the recipe books. This page goes really well with my vintage cookbook on my website, very, very popular. And then the Christmas Day planner, so what you want to do, some activity, some tradition. The Christmas gift list, so the name, the gift, how much is priced, and then if it's wrapped. And then Christmas budget, I tend to use this now in November. I write down everything that I need to buy, all the gift, DVDs, ornaments and things like that. And then last but not least is the Christmas to-do list, so anything that you need to do from now until the 24th of December. I pulled together this planner. I was even debating to sell on my website or not, but I wanted to be quite special for my very special VIP members, so you guys have got that. So yeah, and page number 4, the kit number 4, sorry, is in October I sent out for my VIP members the Halloween crosswords, and the feedback were amazing. So I found this Thanksgiving crosswords, just some activities to help you relax when you have your lunch, or when you have your dinner, or just to pass the time, or if you want something to just relax and get your mind off. And then yeah, just some little games, and then at the back you get the solution of the game. Okay, so four very nice big digital papers for my very special VIP members. So today I'm gonna play with the Victorian Christmas digital papers. I want to create some vintage stamps to use as ephemera for your cards, for your junk journal, for your little tags, anything you want to do with it. So I'm going to fussy cut some of these images. The beauty of this kit, some images are very large, some are very small, and I've done this on purpose so you can create anything that you want with this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut some of these. Love that one. And what I'm going to do, guys, I've got some scraps of craft paper, so I'm going to literally glue it on top. And then this is my favorite scissors. This is my scallop scissors. I call them the stamp scissors, because when you cut anything, oh, let's cut this for example, you get that really nice scallop that's typical from the stamps. If you cut it on the other way around, this way, you get it on the other side Okay, so which is what I'm going to do. So you get the scallop that way and the scallop that way. I hope it makes sense. So it depends how you move them, so you get the different parts. Okay, so I'm going to cut them all and glue them, and I'm going to leave a little border in there, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I glued them on some craft cardstock. Been quite lucky because the big one is actually fit perfectly on my scraps. Little tip, when you glue them, guys, trying to leave quite enough of space for excuse me, for the scissors to move around. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. And you just simply cut them. I love making these because it's such a simple project, but so effective. So yeah, so as you guys know, we are going to Italy on the 10th of November. So you're watching this on a Wednesday. We'll be flying on Friday morning. We'll be there for just a week. It's the first time we're going in this time of the year, but I wanted to see my family before Christmas. So very looking forward to see them all. So it's only for 7 days, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, so we're flying on Friday. We'll be back on Friday. So for next week, guys, I've got quite a lot of video. So well, all next week videos will be filmed, so you guys won't notice my absence, just in case you're gonna miss me. But I'm sure you've got better things to do than miss me. But no, in all seriousness, I will have some video tutorial filmed on my channel. Got quite a lot of project that I wanted to cover in November. Just so you guys are aware, following the success of last year, in December, I'm going to do every single day. So from the 1st of December to the 25th of December, I'm going to do a daily freebie. Okay, so you're going to get 25 freebies in December. I wanted to do like an advent calendar freebie, and yeah, so I can't wait for you guys to see. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also there is a little bell. So this is what you get left over, so it's not big deal. So don't forget to click on the bell that is on the corner, so you get notification every time I upload a video. So in November we will stick to my Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and then in December you will see me daily until you get sick and tired of me. Yeah, no, honestly, you guys will love the freebies. I love the freebies because it's a way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. And I know there are lots of new starter, like new beginner crafter, and freebies are the way for you guys to build up your stash, especially if you are a beginner, as I just say. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to do this off camera. So we got the stamps, going to ink them with some, I'm probably going to use, instead of doing black, I'm going to use the walnut stain. I'm just going to do it just on the edge, and then we're going to stamp. I'm probably going to use this crap here actually because it's big enough. Yeah, I probably won't use for anything else. So we're going to stamp the actual postage stamp. Sorry, makes sense, but I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so I distressed the edges, and I even went inside the pictures just to give it that extra vintage look. So on here I've got my postcard stamps collection. So I will do another video after the Christmas madness. Oh, got a little hair in there. On how I did, because I've been asked on how I pulled this together and how I designed the label. So I'm gonna do a video on this. I will probably use this one here. Love this one. Just create they are actually Victorian envelope, but I'm just going to use this today. Then I'm just gonna leave it out. So let me put this out of the way. So I'm gonna use black ink, and I'm gonna use the distressing. So it's going to be even darker. And when you do this, guys, you don't have to follow any sort of direction, because of course stamps get stamped casually. So when they do the postage stamp, they don't really follow any sort of guide. So I will probably do something like that, and maybe some in there. Okay, so gives you the faux stamps look that we like. On here I might cover it all up. So it's up to you guys. You can go as lighter as you want or as thicker as you want, and it depends how. So if I see this is on the portrait shape, I will probably go towards the bottom of it and maybe do something on the top. But again, you can do what you want. There is no such a rule. I do put them on a craft paper rather than a white paper because I think it makes them look more vintagey. Oh, I want the lines. Yeah, that's better. So I love making these. I absolutely love them. And it's so relaxing. Okay, just a few more. Oh wow, this is huge. So we're probably gonna make a few in here just to fill up the space. And I might do some lines, just the lines in here. What do you guys think? Huge stamp. And then a little one with Santa, or Father Christmas, as we call it here in UK or Europe. That is it, guys. So let me just put them on the screen so you can I zoom in a little bit? Yeah, so you see them all. If you do craft fairs, you can do little pouches of these and sell them, because I think people love things like this if they like vintage. Because you can put this on tags, you can put them into cards, you can do, honestly guys, you can do anything that you want with this. Okay guys, going to go now. A big shout out, of course, goes to every single one of you for your continuous love and support. And today I want to give an extra shout out to the lovely Billy Jo, and I will put Billy Jo's comment on the screen now. Billy Jo joined my VIP lounge last month, and she loved the fact that I give it options. So you got 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. If you guys want to join, I will put all the links in the info box down below. Take you straight to my website. Click on VIP link, and then you get a 3-month subscription, your 6-month subscription, or subscription for an entire year. And I know 3 of you have bought it for somebody else. How sweet is that? How thoughtful is that? So that's an option as well. So if you know you've got a crafty friend that you would like to send a Christmas gift, that is the best option. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And today we're going to end the video as usual on a positive note with my 365 days on calm, and today is page number 19. I am right here, right now, always focusing on the moment, always focusing on the present. The past is gone, the future is not happening yet, so focusing on right here, right now. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, do you want more inspiration? If the answer is yes, there is a full playlist of Christmas projects. I have a link in somewhere on the screen now. I've done paper craft, I've done junk journal, I've done all different festive projects on that playlist. So keep watching, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye!